Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in to your VSCO application. So, first of all, you want to download the VSCO. We have another video on our channel about that. Then you want to click on the VSCO app, so open it, and as you can see, you can continue with Google, continue with Snapchat, and you can see more options, so you can sign up even with your phone, Facebook, or with the email. I'm going to sign up with Google, so I'm just going to click on this one and select the account that I want to use it. So I'm just going to click on this one. And as you can see, this is so super easy that I have already logged in to my VSCO. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel.